Hey everybody, it's Dr. Aaron Seaton with the Chiropractic Place. Today's video is about the effects of sitting on our body. Many of my patients have a job that requires them to sit at the desk. They work 6, 8+ hours a day. They talk to me about having headaches, chronic neck pain, upper back pain, chronic low back pain. And a lot of that is due to the effects of sitting. So I thought I should make a video to educate our people about what that does to our body long term, what those effects can be. So with sitting, the first thing to remember is that our joints need motion to stay healthy. Whether that's the joints in your hand, the joints in your shoulder, the joints in your neck, upper back, low back, your knees, it doesn't matter. Joints need movement to stay healthy. It's how they pump in nutrition, especially in the spine. We can actually pump nutrition into our discs by moving, and it helps remove the waste products from our joints as well. So everything has waste. Everything that's alive that has metabolic activity has waste products and needs to get rid of it. So joints need motion to stay healthy. When joints don't move, when we sit a lot, we actually have a 50% increase in the load in the joints in our spine. So anytime you sit, your neck, your upper back, your low back, those joints are working 50% harder. And when we are sitting, we are not moving. And remember what we just talked about movement. The neck, the upper back, the low back, these joints, these areas of our spine need movement to stay healthy. So long-term changes to posture is another effect of sitting. When we sit, a lot of the muscles relax and we kind of start to slouch. And what that does is it puts a lot of stress on the ligaments around our spine and the joints themselves, because the muscles, which should be active and holding us up, are relaxed. So what that can cause over time is atrophy to certain postural muscles that hold us in place and keep us upright. And that is a negative effect too. And those puts even more stress on the joints as those muscles get weaker. So that's another effect. Another thing that we see with people who sit a lot, have a sedentary lifestyle, we see increases in blood pressure. Movement helps us circulate our blood. A lot of patients think, oh, well, my heart beats and that circulates my blood. Well, your movement also circulates the old blood back to the heart to get more, or back to the lungs, back to the heart to get circulated to the lungs to get more oxygen. So getting up, moving around will help with blood pressure issues. The other issue we see, a lot of people who sit too much, decreased metabolic rate. It tends to make us more prone to gaining weight. And this becomes kind of a slippery slope when you start adding all this stuff up together. If you're sitting too much, that can cause neck pain, upper back pain, low back pain. If we're starting to see increased weight gain, that puts even more stress on the spine, causing neck pain, upper back pain, low back pain, headaches. And on top of that, those changes to the posture that can happen when we sit too much, weakening the muscles around the spine, causes more stress. So you see all this stuff just kind of adds up together. So if you have a job where you sit a lot, it's very important for you to get regular exercise, maintain a balanced diet, keep your diet healthy, make sure you're taking frequent breaks to get up and move around and circulate your blood in your body, and also get your joints moving to just pump nutrition into those joints and get waste products out. The other thing too about that frequent movement, you're going to see a lot of decreases in your neck pain, your upper back pain, and your low back pain just from getting up and moving around. And the final piece, obviously I always touch on this with my patients, is your need for ongoing chiropractic care is vital. When you sit a lot, those joints can get stuck and not move properly, and getting regular chiropractic care restores that motion to those joints, gets them moving properly again so they can work properly, and prevents a lot of wear and tear from happening in there. So hopefully this video was helpful to you about understanding the effects of sitting. Hopefully it gets you motivated to get up and move around more and make sure you're getting your regular exercise. You have any questions about this, give us a call at the office. I'm Dr. Aaron Seaton with the Chiropractic Place.